Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing incredible experiences. In fact, it can lead to some of the most memorable and enriching moments of your life. With the right strategies, you can unlock amazing adventures without breaking the bank. From breathtaking sunsets to thrilling hikes, budget travel offers it all. Finding cheap flight tickets is often the first step to affordable travel. It's the gateway to exploring new destinations and cultures. In this guide, we'll share insider tips and tricks to help you score the best deals on flights. Learn from experts and seasoned travelers who have mastered the art of budget travel. Get ready to explore the world without emptying your wallet. Discover how to make the most of every dollar while creating unforgettable memories. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these tips will empower you to make your travel dreams a reality. No matter your experience level, there's always something new to learn. We'll explore the power of planning, from choosing the best travel dates to organizing your itinerary efficiently. The magic of flight comparison websites, which can save you hundreds of dollars by finding the best deals available, and the secrets of budget airlines. Learn how to maximize your savings while still enjoying a comfortable journey. Get ready to embark on unforgettable journeys without the stress of expensive flights. Your adventure awaits, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. One of the most crucial aspects of finding cheap flights is planning. While spontaneous trips can be exciting, a little planning goes a long way in saving money. Start by researching your destination and determining the best time to visit. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season often yields lower prices on flights and accommodations. Flexibility is another key to unlocking affordable flights. If your travel dates are flexible, you have a higher chance of finding a great deal. Consider flying on weekdays or less popular travel days, such as Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Additionally, be open to adjusting your destination based on flight prices. You might discover a hidden gem that fits your budget perfectly. Flight comparison websites are your best friends when searching for cheap flights. These platforms are designed to save you both time and money. They aggregate data from numerous airlines, making it easy to compare prices and find the best deals available. One popular option is Google Flights, which is widely used by travelers around the world. Its user-friendly interface allows you to easily search for flights, track prices, and explore various destinations with just a few clicks. Skyscanner is another excellent tool for finding budget-friendly flights. It offers a comprehensive search engine. It scours the internet for the best deals, including those from budget airlines, ensuring you get the most value for your money. Momondo is another great option, known for its flight insight data that helps you pinpoint the optimal time to book your flights. Finally, Kayak is a comprehensive platform that searches hundreds of travel sites to find you the cheapest flights available. Remember to set price alerts on these websites to receive notifications when fares drop. This way you can book at the perfect time and save even more. Wow. Section 4. Budget airlines and alternative airports. Your secret weapons. Budget airlines can be a game changer for budget-conscious travelers. These airlines offer lower fares by cutting down on certain amenities. Be sure to read the fine print and be aware of potential extra fees for baggage, seat selection, and in-flight services. Another strategy is to consider flying into alternative airports. Sometimes, flying into a smaller airport near your final destination can result in significant savings. For example, instead of flying directly into a major city, consider flying to a nearby smaller city and taking a train or bus to your final stop. This can often be more cost-effective and provide a unique travel experience. Section 5. Smart booking strategies and additional tips. When it comes to booking, consider reserving flights and accommodations separately. This approach can often save you money and provide more flexibility in your travel plans. While package deals can be convenient, they don't always offer the best value. It's worth comparing individual prices to see if you can get a better deal by booking separately. Keep an eye out for mistake fares, pricing errors that can result in incredibly cheap flights. These deals can disappear quickly, so act fast when you find one. Pack light to avoid checked baggage fees. This not only saves money, but also makes your travel experience more convenient and hassle-free. Most budget airlines charge for checked bags, so try to fit everything you need into a carry-on. This can also help you avoid long waits at baggage claim. Once you reach your destination, take advantage of public transportation, which is often more affordable than taxis or rental cars. It's also a great way to experience the local culture. Embrace free activities like exploring local parks, visiting museums on free admission days, and seeking out free walking tours. These experiences can be just as enriching as paid attractions. By incorporating these additional tips, you can stretch your travel budget even further. Happy travels and enjoy every moment of your journey.